Set up your EXO OpenRange just about anywhere with the OpenRange Leg Kit. Perfect for off-grid camping, stadium tailgating, and everything in between. The sturdy adjustable telescoping legs let you set the OpenRange at the perfect height, so you're always on the level. This is how to assemble your OpenRange Leg Kit and attach your OpenRange. First, you will need to install the legs by extending the legs like this to the desired height. Make sure the knob is seated in one of the 3 slots, and each leg is equally extended. Then, fully tighten the adjustment knobs. Next, loosen this knob until you can insert each of the legs into the receiver. Be sure the post of the knob is within the channel of the receiver, and fully tighten the knob. Now you're ready to attach the EXO OpenRange to the leg kit. Place the OpenRange on the leg kit, making sure to center its placement so that it will seat itself. Do not open the OpenRange until you have installed the stabilizing knobs. Thread the 2 stabilizing knobs at the rear of the OpenRange as shown. Now you're ready to set up the rest of your camp kitchen. And when you're ready to pack up, close the OpenRange, remove the stabilizing knobs, remove the OpenRange, break down the leg kit, and place it in the provided bag. And store in your OpenRange or vehicle. That's it. Now get out and take it easy.